Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make basic meringue. We'll cover the fundamental steps to create this delightful, airy treat. Understanding the different types, especially French meringue, is key to starting your baking journey. We'll focus on achieving that perfect light texture and sweet flavor. Let's get started with the essentials. Before you begin, gather your ingredients and equipment. Fresh egg whites are paramount. Even a tiny bit of yolk can prevent them from whipping correctly. Granulated sugar provides both sweetness and structure. Most importantly, ensure your mixing bowl and whisk are impeccably clean and free of any grease. This preparation sets you up for success.
Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more baking tips. On another note, for all your recipe reading and culinary inspiration, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading anywhere, even in the kitchen. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video.
Now for the magic. Start whipping your egg whites on medium speed until they turn foamy. Once they reach this stage, begin adding your granulated sugar very slowly, about 1 tablespoon at a time. Keep whipping until the mixture is thick, glossy, and forms stiff peaks that hold their shape. You should not feel any sugar granules when rubbed between your fingers. Once your meringue is ready, pipe or spoon it onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake these delicate treats at a very low temperature, typically around 200 degrees Fahrenheit, for an extended period. This slow baking dries them out rather than browning them. Crucially, let them cool completely inside the oven with the door ajar to prevent cracking and maintain their crispness.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.